Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. So, today we are going to see something very interesting. It is a gift for your students, or you can use this as a goodie bag gift when you keep a birthday party or something like that. Okay, so this is a DIY again. So, let us see what it is and how to do this. Okay, so first open a Word document and you take it into a landscape mode, and you can take a few pictures according to your occasion. So since I was giving it as an interment party gift, so I gave it as because I gave it before the exam, so I gave this title as don't stress, be happy, you can do it, and stuffs like that. And then I want to show my love to my students, so I just put this a picture also. So I chose everything to be a clip art black and white because I want them to color each and every part and have fun during the party. So this was kind of a game and a gift. So I chose all the beautiful encouraging words so that they could love it. And I was specific enough that it was all black and white so that they can color it and have fun. So I gave them one crayon box, and I gave this paper, so and I wrote their names in on the top. So a specific touch of hand, because I don't want everything to be computerized, so I just wrote their names. And I gave them this card and a crayon box, which every one of them loved, and they all started coloring and they all had so much fun doing it. So, another thing that you need to remember after decorating your card is that to print. When you're printing, according to your printer settings, you need to remember to print it as front and back with the layout. Like, is it a short edge or you want it as a long edge? That you need to note. Only then you can fold it into a proper card. So if you can see here, I have printed it into a short edge, which made it proper, and now it's like proper front and back. Now I can fold it and give it to them as a greeting card, which they can color. So I chose a coloring page at the back, and in between is my love to them, and in the front page it is a don't stress, just relax, do your best. It's like that. It's something encouraging for them, and my students, they loved it, they colored it, and they had so much fun doing it, which gave me so much of happiness. So they had their fun, have eating their stuffs, and also coloring. So this is something really good. So do subscribe to my channel, my dear friends.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Subscribe.